Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explore the timeless wisdom of ancient civilizations and discover 5 valuable life lessons we can learn from them. Throughout history, various cultures have left behind a wealth of knowledge that still resonates with us today. By delving into their wisdom, we can gain insights that help us navigate our modern lives with purpose, meaning, and fulfillment. So let's dive right in. Lesson 1. Embrace the power of mindfulness. Ancient wisdom teaches us the importance of being fully present in the moment. Mindfulness, a practice rooted in various ancient traditions like Buddhism and Stoicism, invites us to cultivate awareness and engage with life deeply. By being mindful, we learn to appreciate the beauty in simple things, savor each experience, and foster a sense of inner calm. Embracing mindfulness helps us reduce stress, enhance our well-being, and find joy in the present moment. Lesson 2. Seek balance and harmony. Many ancient philosophies emphasize the pursuit of balance and harmony in our lives. The concept of yin and yang from Chinese philosophy teaches us that opposing forces are interconnected and necessary for a harmonious existence. Similarly, the Greek philosophy of the golden mean encourages moderation in all aspects of life. By seeking balance, we can avoid extremes, maintain emotional equilibrium, and live in alignment with our values and purpose. Lesson 3. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a timeless virtue advocated by ancient wisdom traditions across the globe. From the Native American cultures to ancient Greek philosophy, expressing gratitude has always been considered a path to contentment and fulfillment. By cultivating gratitude, we shift our focus from what we lack to what we have, fostering a positive mindset and enhancing our overall well-being. Taking time each day to acknowledge and appreciate the blessings in our lives can profoundly transform our perspective. Lesson 4. Embrace impermanence. The concept of impermanence is central to many ancient wisdom traditions, such as Buddhism. These teachings remind us that everything in life is subject to change. By embracing impermanence, we learn to let go of attachments and expectations, finding freedom and peace within ourselves. Recognizing the transient nature of things helps us navigate life's ups and downs with resilience, adaptability, and a deeper appreciation for the present moment. Lesson 5. Cultivate inner wisdom. Ancient wisdom encourages us to look inward and tap into our own inner wisdom. The Greek aphorism, "Know thyself," and the concept of self-realization in Hindu philosophy both emphasize the importance of self-reflection and introspection. By cultivating self-awareness, we gain a deeper understanding of our desires, values, and purpose. This self-knowledge empowers us to make conscious choices, build authentic relationships, and live a life that aligns with our true selves. As we conclude our exploration of ancient wisdom, we realize that these timeless teachings still hold immense relevance in our fast-paced, modern lives. By embracing mindfulness, seeking balance, practicing gratitude, embracing impermanence, and cultivating inner wisdom, we can find greater fulfillment, peace, and purpose. Let's not forget the valuable lessons passed down to us by our ancestors and strive to incorporate them into our daily lives. Thank you for watching, and remember to live wisely,